Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today's video is going to be about application of rule of probability. And here's a problem. A special die is made in the shape of the octahedron. The die has 8 equal faces marked with the numbers 1 to 8. If the die is thrown once, what is the probability that the face it lands uppermost has the prime number? And here's a variance to choose from. So octahedron has 8 surfaces marked 1 through 8, and each surface has a mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What is the definition of the prime number? This is such a number that can be divided only by itself and by 1. In this list, for example, 1 is not a prime number, but 2 is a prime number. It can be divided only by 1 and by 2. 3 is a prime number because it also can be divided only by 1 and by 3. But for example, 4 is not prime number because it can be divided, of course, by 1, by 4, and also by 2. So it is not prime number. As for the 5, it is a prime number because it can be divided by 1 and 5 only. Of course, we can also divide it by 2. We are going to get 2.5. But when we say only can be divided by 1 and itself, we mean that if we divide by any other number, it shouldn't give us any remainder. For example, 2.5 has a remainder 0.5. So this is prime number. As for the 6, we can divide it by 1, by 6, and also by 2 and by 3 without a remainder. So this is not a prime number. Next prime number is 7. We can divide it by 1, by 7, and no any other number. But as for the 8, we can divide it, of course, by 1, by 8, by 4, by 2. So this is not a prime number. So as you see, if we throw octahedron die, it has 8 surfaces, 8 possible outcomes, and probability that this is going to be a prime number, as you see, we have 4 of them, so it's going to be 4 out of 8. Or we also can say that this is going to be 2 over 4 or 1/2. And this is answer C. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.